I'm Ibrahim, and I'm a second-year student here at Algonquin, and I'm taking graphic design. I really enjoy design and arts. I love doing digital illustrations, as well as reading. Um, One of my favorite hobbies right now is redesigning logos. The reason why I chose to take graphic design here at Algonquin is because of their hands-on approach to the program and the curriculum. I find that it's way easier to digest. The program is unique because of how industry-focused our teachers are and how willing they are to share all their information about what they know. And it allows us to just like set up solid foundation for when we're ready to take off after graduation and get into the real world of graphic design. My experience has been really, really great. There's just so much diversity here. Algonquin has allowed me to become a better problem solver. It's given me so many different perspectives, and I kind of took all those little bits and put them together, and it's allowed me to find different solutions to a bunch of different problems in terms of just graphic design or just socially. It's allowed me to think outside the box and kind of view things in different lenses. I'm a problem solver.